Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about bedroom design ideas. Whether you are moving into a new apartment or just looking to spruce up your correct space, I have got you covered. In this video I am going to share some of my favorite bedroom design tips and ideas that are sure to inspire you. So let's go start. Choose a color scheme. The first step is designing your bed is choosing a color scheme. You want to select colors that make you feel calm and relaxed, since the bedroom is a place rest and relaxations. Some popular color schemes include cool blushes, soft green, and natural gray. When you have selected your color scheme, you can begin to incorporating it into your bedding, curtains, and decor. Maximize your space. Do you have a small bedroom? It's important to make the most of your space. One way to do this is by selecting furniture that is multifunctional, such as a bed with built-in storage or a nightstand that doubles as a desk. You can also use vertical space by adding shelves or hanging storage solutions. Add personal touches to your bedroom. Should be a reflection of your personality and style. One way to add personal touches is by incorporating artwork or photos that special meaning to you. You can also add decorative pillows, throws, or rugs that showcase your favorite colors and partners. Layered lights is an important element in any bedroom design. In addition to overhead lighting, such as also incorporate task lighting such as reading lamp or beside tables lamps. You can also add ambitions with candles on or string lights. Do not forget the details. Finally, it's the little details that can really make a bedroom feel complete. Consider adding plants for a touch of greenery, or adding a decorative tray to adding some. Try to organize your beside essentials. You can also incorporate textures with cozy blanket or curtains with interesting patterns. And there you have it, my top bedroom designs tip and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in the comments below which tip was your. Thanks for watching.